Hello and welcome to the explainer of how to set up SMART goals successfully. What's the definition? Briefly speaking, it's an acronym that describes and gives directions for determining, organizing, and reaching logical and realistic goals. What are the characteristics? 1. S stands for specific. It must be clear and direct linked to one activity or idea, for example, customer complaints reduction. 2. M stands for measurable. It must be quantifiable and traceable, for example, customer returns rate less than 5%. 3. A stands for achievable. It must be actionable for the involved parties, for example, the quality department. 4. R stands for relevant. It must follow company goals and strategies, for example, align with the customer returns metrics. 5. T stands for time limited. It must be achieved within a specific time frame, for example, by the end of 2025. That's it. Thank you for watching. Get more at www.suppliersplatform.com.